In this video, we're comparing Builderall versus ConvertKit to find out which one is the best landing page software. If you're looking to create high-converting landing pages for your business, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, where I'll share the best option for your needs, and trust me, it might surprise you. Let's start by talking about Builderall. It's known for being an all-in-one platform that offers landing page creation alongside a suite of other tools like email marketing, sales funnels, and even an affiliate program. While it's great for someone who needs a lot of functionality under one roof, the landing page builder itself can be a bit clunky. The drag-and-drop editor isn't as intuitive as some users would like, and you may find yourself spending more time trying to get things right than actually building pages that convert. Next thing, we have ConvertKit. ConvertKit, on the other hand, focuses specifically on email marketing and landing pages. It's a simpler, cleaner interface, and the landing page builder is much easier to navigate. The design options are pretty streamlined, and while you won't have as many customization options as with Builderall, it's perfect for users who want a straightforward, user-friendly experience. The downside here, though, is that ConvertKit's free plan limits the number of subscribers and landing pages you can use, which could be an issue for businesses looking to scale quickly. The third thing to consider is integrations. Builderall offers a wide range of integrations with other platforms, but they can be hit or miss. Some users report issues with connecting Builderall to third-party apps, which can be frustrating. ConvertKit, by contrast, is known for having smooth, seamless integrations with popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. If you're running an e-commerce site or another business that needs to connect with various tools, ConvertKit might have the edge here. Now, let's talk about pricing. Builderall offers more features, but it comes at a higher price point. For a platform that promises to do everything, you'll have to pay a premium. ConvertKit's pricing is a little simpler and more affordable, especially if you're just starting out with landing pages and email marketing. However, if you're looking for a truly budget-friendly option and don't mind sacrificing some extra features, ConvertKit's free plan could be an appealing choice for beginners. The fifth thing to note is support. Builderall offers support through a ticketing system, but response times can be slow, and the quality of assistance isn't always what you'd hope for. ConvertKit, on the other hand, gets consistently high marks for customer support. They offer email, chat, and a comprehensive knowledge base, making it easier to get help when you need it. If good customer support is a priority for you, ConvertKit might be a safer bet. Lastly, let's talk about performance. In terms of speed and reliability, Builderall sometimes struggles with load times, especially when you have a lot of elements on your landing pages. While it's not a deal breaker, slow pages can hurt your conversion rates. ConvertKit's landing pages, on the other hand, tend to load quickly and perform reliably. So, which one is the best for landing pages? Well, both have their strengths, but if you're looking for a user-friendly platform with good integrations and support, ConvertKit is likely the better choice. Builderall offers more features, but it's a bit of a jack-of-all-trades, and it may not deliver the best landing page experience for everyone. Now, while Builderall and ConvertKit both have their merits, after trying them myself, I'd recommend a better alternative for the goal we're talking about today. If you want a more seamless and efficient experience, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your landing pages and start converting better today.